In this week's edition of the Business Review, we look at City Eats.
In a journey as savory as her signature blends, Sabrina MacDonald is well on her way to building a Jamaican seasoning empire. How, you may ask? Through City Eats.
When the bank declined my request for one day off, I resigned the same day and decided that I was going to pursue my business because I thought they didn't value me.
A pivotal moment for the CEO was also witnessing her grandparents endure the challenges of diabetes and hypertension. This experience fueled an intriguing twist in the world of seasoning. Her secret ingredient, low sodium content.
I knew anything that I do would be Jamaican, but for what we produce, we create salt-free, low sodium and sugar-free seasonings that help our customers make delicious meals easily so they can live an enriched life.
But there are many roadblocks.
Many of our target audience are from the bigger cities like Toronto, Vancouver, and outside of Canada, like in the US. But with getting the product to them, they'll go on my website and they'll abandon the cart because of the shipping charges. So that is something that I'm working on right now. As well as just marketing and reaching those same audience, I'm facing challenges there as well.
Today, MacDonald, who initially invested her entire savings of 20,000 Canadian dollars into the company, touts her products as an unrivaled, authentic Jamaican seasoning brand in Canada. Her diverse product offering includes all-purpose, chicken, seafood and meat seasonings, along with her recent additions of chicken fry and curry powder. With her entrepreneurial vision in full swing, the young CEO's eyes are set on partnering with other companies and adding jerk sauces and marinades to expand her flavorful empire in 2024.
In the next 3 years, we want to see City Eats growing in Canada and being in a number of retail stores, as well as a big e-commerce brand as well.
For the Business Review, I'm Hal Shane Burke.
The Business Review, brought to you by